In this episode, how to create a macOS Catalina USB boot disk. Before proceeding with the prep work, make sure you've done a backup of your Macintosh disk using, for example, Time Machine. With that important message out of the way, straight to the demo. So let's get started. First, let's begin with the prep work. 1. You're logged in with an admin account on your Mac and running one of the following macOS. 2. You have at least a 16GB blank USB 2.0 or 3.0 disk. 3. You have a copy of a macOS Catalina and that is located in the Applications folder. 4. Open TextEdit and make document as plain text. 5. Copy and paste the following one-line terminal command which I've included in the description in the text document. Now, with all the prep work taken care of, let's begin creating the USB boot disk. Insert your USB disk in an available USB socket and note the name. In my case, it's USB 1. From the text document created earlier, replace NameOfUSBDisk with the name of your USB disk. Final steps. Open Terminal and copy and paste the one-line terminal command from the text document and press return. You'll then be asked to enter your admin password, and after pressing return, the creation of the macOS Catalina USB boot disk installer will begin. I'll just time-lapse it from here. In my case, using a USB 3.0 disk, it only took just over 3.5 minutes to complete. For a USB 2.0 disk, it took just over 30 minutes to complete. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this episode. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and please don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode. Peace!